In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can go ahead and download Android Studio. Android Studio is not required for development purposes, but we need to download it to ensure that we have emulators available and which can then be associated with the Visual Studio Code, as we have been demonstrating in previous lectures. So for that purpose, we need to download Android Studio and configure it. Let's get started. So the first thing is we will go to developer.android.com/studio, and there you can download the Android Studio for Windows. Once downloaded, you'll need to launch it. We need to go to Tools, and there we need to click on SDK Manager. Inside the SDK Manager, go to Android SDK, and there ensure that under SDK Tools tab you have Android emulator checked and Intel x86 emulator accelerator, that's HaxM installer, installed. So these two must be installed on your system, and obviously, as you can see here, the SDK is installed at this location, and the same needs to be updated in your path variables. And for that, we need to click on this environment variable, and under that you need to set these two, Android Home and Android SDK root. So these two are also required, and obviously the Java home directory. And that's pretty much it in order to get you started with Android emulators.